Hi everyone and welcome to today's practice. My name is Kseny. This is my dog Altai, who is very excited about today's video. But today I have an exercise for you that I've been wanting to share with you for a long time. One exercise that can really make a difference in our physical and emotional state. I find that this exercise is very good for boosting your energy levels. It can also help with calming anxiety, helps to strengthen the kidneys, improve circulation to the legs, and it's just so good for overall health and vitality. So go ahead and get ready and let's begin. For today's exercise, we have two areas of focus. One is the center of the chest and another one is the center of the lower back. How to find the center of the lower back is to draw a line from your navel and end up right here. So keep that in mind. Go ahead and bend your knees, keeping your lower back nice and relaxed. Bring your hands slightly in. Then go ahead and open, rotating your palms. Look up, shifting the weight slightly onto your toes. Release gently, sink the weight into your legs and flatten your lower back. Breathe in as we open the chest. Breathe out as we soften. The movement of the hands are minimal. It's just there to give you guidance, to open your chest to the sky. Exhale, sink the way down. Working always with the center of the chest and with the lower back. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. And out. Feel free to close your eyes here. Concentrate on yourself, on your breath, and the sensations in your body. And out. Lessen your effort. Relax your entire body. And just breathe. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. And out. There's very minimal muscle effort. The more you can relax, the better. The better you can breathe. It's like a moving meditation. The movements are soft and comforting. So is your breath. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Remember to slightly shift your weight forward and then back to the entire soles. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. And out. Let me show you the side view one more time. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. And out. Last one here. Breathe in. And breathe out. Relax your hands to the side. And take a moment to notice how the center of the chest feels and the lower back. If you have any sensations, anything that is happening in those two areas. Then go ahead and take a nice deep breath in. Exhale, bring your breath and awareness through your body, to your belly. Then close. And take a moment here to simply enjoy the sensations in the body. Appreciate the moment you have and feel connected to your body. Relax your hands to the side. And finish your practice. Thank you very much for joining me. Let me know what do you think about this exercise in the comments below this video. I practice it on a regular basis, almost daily, if I really need to open my chest for better breathing or tonify the kidneys and just move and enjoy the moment. So I hope you found it helpful. Until next time, I wish you great health, stay safe, and I'll see you soon.